Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2008 Suzuki LS650 Boulevard. This bike has 5,200 miles and is offered for $24.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to the stock features, this one has a luggage rack, passenger back rack, some Suzuki leather saddlebags, and also a nice windshield. This is a great all-around in-town bike. It can also go on the freeway, single cylinder, nice power. This one, we're also putting 2 brand new tires on it, oil change, safety check, and clean bill of health by the service department. She's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. This is also for sale for consignment, I should note. In addition, you can check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.